Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2017 Dodge Ram. The original car comes with the 8-inch screen, original navigation system. It also comes with the Alpine sign system as well. This system is fully compatible with the original system and the automatic climate control. You can see that. You can also control the temperature from the touchscreen here. The rear defroster. If your car comes with the cooling seat, it will also support the cooling seat as well. Okay, you can also change the unit to Celsius. Okay, and you can also change everything on the temperature here. And then this one is coming with the built-in navigation system. Okay, the built-in navigation does not require any Wi-Fi. It's built in. Okay, so basically how to use the GPS, just click on the bottom right corner here and then go to new road and then address. You can just enter the address here. Other than that, you also support the Netflix. As long as you connect to the Wi-Fi, then you can also watch the movie from the Netflix as well. This system comes with the PX6, 4 GB of the memory and 64 GB of the storage memory hard drive. And you also come with the built-in wireless CarPlay. Okay, so as long as you connect to the Bluetooth, and then you will support the original wireless CarPlay. Okay, other than that, you also come with the built-in Google Map here, and you also come with the YouTube. You can also watch the YouTube here. You can see that it's very fast on the system. It's really smooth. There's no nagging, nothing. Okay. You also support the original camera too. Okay. Other than that, it will support the original steering wheel control. You will activate the original amplifier too. Okay. Everything is fully compatible. You can see that the steering wheel control, everything is fully compatible here. You can also play the movie from the USB too, okay? This system also comes with a really nice, really high resolution touchscreen here.
Nice cold can of whoop ass.
Okay. Other than that, this one you can also download your own application to the system as well. It also comes with the built-in Waze, built-in Spotify. It also supports many features of the original car, like auto dimming and the lights, everything is right here. Yeah, you can also change all the settings from the menu here. Okay. Other than that, you can also activate the camera manually from the screen here. You don't need to actually move to reverse. Okay. If you guys have any question about this system, please contact us AutoTecPro. This system can also purchase from our website www.autotecpro.com. We also carry another model for the manual climate control. The only difference is here, you can keep the original climate control button, and this one is automatic climate control. So that's why you can see that you will replace it. You can, there's a couple ways for you to control the temperature. First of all, you can use the touchscreen to control the temperature, and also you can use the button on top of the unit to control the temperature as well. Everything is fully compatible here. It's very nice, and the fitment is perfectly fine. If you guys have any question about this system, please contact us AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.